Heart skips a beat. Main causes. When heartbeats suddenly become more noticeable, they are called heart palpitations. Sometimes they can feel as though the heart has skipped a beat. Palpitations can also feel like the heart is pounding, fluttering, or beating irregularly. A person may experience these sensations in the throat or the neck. They can last for a few seconds or several minutes. Heart palpitations can be frightening, especially when experienced for the first time. However, they are usually nothing to worry about. What is a heart palpitation? A heart palpitation happens when someone suddenly feels one or more heartbeats because the heart pumps blood automatically. People are usually unaware of individual beats. This pumping allows the blood to circulate throughout the body, delivering oxygen and other essential components. The heart has four chambers that are attached by one-way valves. A heartbeat is a pumping action that takes about 1 second and happens in two parts. Part 1. As blood collects in the upper two chambers, an electrical signal causes a contraction that pushes blood to the lower chambers. Part 2. Blood is pushed from the heart into the lungs, where it is mixed with oxygen before circulating around the body. Causes of skipped heartbeats. The heart skipping a beat can be the result of number of factors, including lifestyle triggers, strenuous exercise, not getting enough sleep, or drinking too much caffeine or alcohol can all lead to heart palpitations. Smoking tobacco, using illicit drugs such as cocaine, or eating rich or spicy foods can also cause the heart to skip a beat. Psychological or emotional triggers. Palpitations can be caused by stress or anxiety. They may also occur during a panic attack. Other symptoms of a panic attack include nausea, feeling weak or dizzy, numbness in the extremities, chest pain or tightness, trembling, shortness of breath. Medication. A number of medications can trigger heart palpitations. Anyone who has frequent heart palpitations and is taking medication should check the list of possible side effects on the label. They should not stop taking the drug, however, without speaking to a doctor. Usually, heart palpitations are a harmless side effect. Hormone changes, periods, pregnancy, and menopause can all cause heart palpitations. Arrhythmias. Arrhythmias are a group of heart health conditions that can interfere with the heart's rhythm. Millions of people have arrhythmias, and they are especially common as people get older. Most are harmless, but some require medical attention. The following are examples of arrhythmias. Arterial fibrillation, which can cause a fast, irregular heart rate. Arterial flutter, which can make the heartbeat quickly with a regular or irregular rhythm. Supraventricular tachycardia, which causes episodes marked by an abnormally fast but regular heart rate. It tends to affect otherwise healthy people. Ventricular tachycardia, a potentially serious condition that causes a fast, regular heart rhythm and is sometimes associated with dizziness or blackouts. Heart conditions. In some cases, palpitations can indicate problems with the heart. Examples include a mitral valve prolapse, which causes blood to flow inefficiently through the heart. Heart failure, which happens when the heart is unable to pump blood effectively. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which refers to an enlargement of the heart muscle and its walls. Congenital heart disease, which refers to abnormalities that are present from birth. Other medical conditions. The following issues can also cause palpitations: dehydration, anemia, a fever of 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or higher, hyperthyroidism, which refers to an overactive thyroid, hypoglycemia, which refers to low blood sugar levels. Symptoms: heart palpitations tend to feel like a fluttering or churning in the chest or neck. When more serious arrhythmias are responsible, palpitations can occur with the following symptoms: tiredness, dizziness, lightheadedness, fainting, a rapid or pounding heartbeat, shortness of breath, chest pain. In extreme cases, heart palpitations can lead to sudden cardiac arrest. When to see a doctor? If heart palpitations happen occasionally and pass quickly, it is unlikely that the underlying cause is severe. It is a good idea to speak to a doctor when palpitations follow a history of heart problems, last for long periods, do not improve over time, get worse. Some cases require emergency medical attention. Seek medical help immediately when palpitations accompany any of these symptoms: severe shortness of breath, pain or tightness in the chest, lightheadedness or dizziness, fainting or blacking out.